turn. Like your time will come and your time now.
And him need to come talk. See them friend.
I said him your life.
It's a serious something going for true. And
from you come live this morning, I keep sending your life towards him and I don't see him respond. Because I go on his page and keep sending it, forwarding it to him and tell him that he need to come on the live and explain what's going on. So everybody can have a clear head.
Alright, and him don't come on, don't he?
No, him not come. I send him how much time, sending your life to his page how much time, but him not come. I keep forwarding it to him.
Hey, sexy, go suck your mother. Anyone on the question, I call them and name in my text. I got this, you know. And this, because someone look blood clot and Marky G don't want to know, that's why, you know. You don't think I want to know when they can't blood clot. Marky G not going to know, Sandra not going for none rep to be.
Yes, we need answers.
Blood clot,
yes,
Marky G not look no cranky mind. No rep to be, so no blood clot like it. And stand up and when stand up and no. No nasty girl for a while like what Andrew Wallace to big for blood clot to let in a parliament. Wife and mate in a parliament, go suck on the mother.
Yesterday he was on live, and they blocked me from his life.
And two mama stands, straight down.
Everybody look nobody.
You need to come down.
You know, Miss Sandra, when love her from them youth growing up. And them tell lie, Sandra 3 years older than Marky G, and them say Marky G there with Sandra van Shanda here. To show you how wicked they're gonna wicked. Marky G now look
exactly, Marky G no kill us like Andrew.
The whole on the one, the Rasta man. Uno go on, uno live.
On a live and hear a woman I said that to, you know. A woman I endorsed Damien Crawford and I said the pedophile Marky G for come down. I mean I have to tell the woman, say mama suck out a big pussy woman far rush there and come back and come out for her live. Me I forget dark on the live yesterday.
Don't forget if she dead for the girl. Anyhow she dead, dig up her back.
Last night I was on a live and they were talking about you, Mama San, saying that you are saying stuff about Damien and stuff. So I'm like, what are you guys talking about? You guys need to know the facts first before you guys come bash the woman. But
what did you say about him?
What Mama San? Me hear what she said now. Me hear what she said, Mama San. Mama San, listen to her.
No, I'm saying I was on a live last night and they were saying, oh, the big red woman. She's over there saying Damien.
And it's a PMP live.
No,
right?
I don't know if it's a PNP live. I don't know who it's Scrub. I was on Scrub live and they were saying that.
Oh.
A man was saying, but I don't know where Scrub stands.
Oh, that's a mixture.
Yeah.
Labor rights. Scrub's a labor right.
That's what they're saying. That's what some people are saying. So,
no, some people, Scrubs is labor right.
Oh. So I was on her live and they were talking and I'm like, what you guys need to hear from her first? Why the reason? She have to have a reason why she gonna say Damien need to come to
because
the
they want Damien so they can
hold on, make we finish here with Shasta, man. Yeah.
No, I'm saying they cannot be bashing Mama San like that. They need to Mama San have to have a reason why she gonna come and say, Damien, you need to come explain us, because nobody's gonna just get up and spreading rumor like that. And it is within our own party, so it wouldn't make no sense. But you know, they're not gonna really wanna hear it, so I just came off the live from that.
Yeah, but it's a labor right live, yeah?
Anybody who a bash Mama San, them are not 100% PMP, them are peace PMP and mostly labor right. Let me tell you this, Mama San stand up with Marky G right through and through. Anybody who stand up with Marky G, I could have Damien run against him, or anybody else in that party run against him, we are bring them down.
Bring them down.
Anybody run against Marky G in the party, we are going to bring them down. We as a PMP, we are going to bring them down. Mama San, I try to tell you that she stand up behind Mark Golin. No matter who, I could have labor right or PMP run against him. I want Marky G and that Mama San I try to tell the people them. Yeah. But some people were just dunce and stupid and this and that and think Mama San this Damien. I know Damien, if I never Damien, suppose if I the daytime can come up and say him a run against Mark Golin. I worry about that.
Yeah, you know what I find funny though?
We not eat Damien. We not eat Damien. The thing is, we not like where I go on with. Yeah. And you need to come talk to it.
You know what I find funny? Is if this did happen. He said this did happen before election. He would have probably come out already, and address it. He would probably have come out already. I see if a rumor has spread, I understand why it has spread and I go so far if not go so. Just make a video and paste it on your page. That's it.
A drastic rumor like this.
Exactly.
Party strong now, party I go stay strong.
When the PMP them and them smart enough to understand say anybody run against Mark Golding and win the presidency over Mark Golding, them I go get a vote out like what Peter Philip get. Them I go get a landslide beating like what Peter Philip gets.
Anybody rise
So
up
don't
against
try it.
anybody rise up against Mark Golding, wanna know how it go. Only know how it go. Mark Golding unified the party from 14 to 28. The man unified the party, bring love within the party.
Government
The whole
talk about local government. Talk about the amount of time him bring Andrew go constitution court and never lose a case yet.
and never lose a case, you understand?
How for replace a leader like?
Me call up the lady.
Thank you, darling. Thank you.
Me call up the lady and tell her say any money work for talk to me because me carry how much? A $35,000 US me carry down at the funeral and Pops YG the carry about I think 15,000 or 10,000 US. Pops YG the carry. So we got the funeral fully. If you have any local fuckery, them can't embarrass Naya. So the other thing that go wrong with the funeral now, the pastor left Naya body out the door and collect the people money for got prison.
No, man, big up, good girl. Alright, so we want to talk more about the yard. Yeah? We want to talk more about the yard. I want kind of get a bit more.
What are they? People, want to give me some gift to them and I want to make me look so bad. Yeah, the rich, I'll be rich, or do you give yeah, they don't gift? I want
you get flying jet on them.
Oh, me nasty. Thank you, people. Thank you. Come here, say, yeah, the rich, I'll be rich. Because them love to have money. But we glad to have somebody who have money too. Yeah, they. And they like it, the pussy them can't buy out, and that kill them, they can't buy out.
Yeah, they can't buy out, man.
So people, but you see the one they will circle him a go. You can't buy him, but just white.
Bro, before I calling names, because, you know, when I talk, you highlight them, you know what I mean?
True. But you never have called up the name.
No, I want to watch that. So, watch it now. So, you go up on the crime scene. When you go up on the crime scene, when you pull up, at the yard, did they know that you were coming to the yard or you just turn up?
No, they never know something coming up.
When I turn up at the yard, who was the first person you greet or greet you?
That are the producer you there. Because them say Bubba they asleep.
And then when him see you, what the first thing I said to him, and what was the conversation we and him had?
Me tell him say me need some information. I say, yo, me can't get information. But somebody here they live in the yard. I say, yo, me don't know nothing, you know. I mean somebody lad, but you don't live in the yard, man. Yes, sir, because I don't get information who live in the yard. Because you know, I stop on the road and ask first. I'm ask where the yard. Because I say, I never know exactly are the people in the yard show me the yard. You understand?
Yeah.
So, when I go down there, but him start move nervous. I mean, somebody weird. Don't act like I'm killing you, somebody. No, I'm so nervous. But, Bubba, mainly, me do go for.
Bubba, we know Bubba from the media.
Yes.
So most people familiar with Bubba. Yeah?
So same time, him go say, I'm going to wake up Bubba, and I say, Bubba come out now.
So where was Crux? Where was the next little one? Or where him come from at the time?
Oh, I don't know, because like he must be there at the yard too, you know. That I look at juvenile youth there.
Yeah. So he was sleeping at the yard at the time as well, or he was at the yard before you reached. What time did you turn up at the yard?
I got there in the early morning because I said more catch them, you know, nobody got work, so I got there early.
And Crux was there in the yard as well.
Yeah, him did there in the yard, him do walk come around. I don't know if I the back fence and jump or what, but him did there, him the come around.
And what was the first conversation you and Bubba have like, alright, me I go be quiet for a minute and you can reason with the panel and just say, yo, when we go there, me and Bubba talk, Bubba said this, just think back and refresh back your memory and kind of explain to it where you and Bubba talk about what the first time you see Bubba.
Alright, so the first time, one time, the producer tell me say, Bubba asleep, so I say, go wake him up. You understand?
And then when him go cast, me say, buy you, no, matter of fact, me say, are you more get the interview because you live in the yard? But he say, no, him no go on the camera and make sure say me not tape him and make sure say me dey on the camera because he say the camera person. I say, my lord, but are your family dead? You understand? So he say, no, Bobo is a Bobo we more talk to you. So I'm saying, send Bobo then. And I say, I'm going to wake up Bobo and then Bobo come out now and me ask Bobo, say, what go on? And Bobo say, boy, you know, so I don't really know what go on. Me just there in the yard and me get a phone call and then me take up the pit and carry them in same time. And me say, but show me now, my mind sit up and say I figure out because we are going to find out against Bobo about figure out. You understand? Well, I'm a person. Greetings, Carla.
Morning time.
Yeah, man. Call me back. Me up on investigation. See me. I'm an investigator. Yardy. Me up on I think I seen her.
All right, do your thing then.
Yeah, we shall have it. Yeah, man. The money call that thing about. Yeah, the boy them bigger there. Them can't run with. Them have to go over them once. So they have to come back to me.
Yeah, but more some over to you know. Cause I'm a over me, you know.
Nah, man. Don't worry yourself, man. Make us send a ring come here, man. A bad ring. Remember say. I'm a bad woman to you, but I take her for normal, you know. Remember say, alright, you say, me the got a yard like a Bobo them got, me super rich. Cause the man them live with it up, you know. Yo, but I buy the yard there. So, what go on now? Bobo come out now. But me can't read nothing with Bobo, cause you know usually